Oh no.
He's dead.
Did I kill him? We're gonna have to jumpstart his heart. 100 volts. Didn't work.
Oh, no.
200 volts.
Oh,
my
no.
God. 400 volts.
Oh, shit.
He's just so still. Can you see his face? Oh, you can't see his face.
What's wrong, buddy? Look at me. What's wrong with your eye? Oh, you wanna go outside? You wanna go outside and play? Oh, now you're fine.
Children comes in a different form to everyone, so people rarely realize when it happens.
High five. Too slow.
He must have had fun getting out the first time. Don't get in another one. Ah! Shut it!
Baby. Oh, my poor girl. Oh, my God.